Hello, is Misha Emily Nichgioan Fujita, agus Hashnal na Halifax, Alabanuig. Hello, I'm Emily McEwen Fujita, and we're in Halifax, Nova Scotia. And today I'm going to talk to you about the milling frolic, which is a Gaelic, a special thing in Gaelic culture that's unique to Nova Scotia. So with this video, I'm just going to give you the rhythm that we use to mill the cloth. So first you take two hands, put two hands on the cloth, you grab two handfuls, and then you go mine towards me, yours away, mine towards me again, and pass to the left. And when everybody passes to the left, this causes the cloth to go around clockwise in a circle. And the Gaelic word for that is jaishal. Clockwise, jaishal. And counterclockwise is actually considered very unlucky in Gaelic culture. So we always go jaishal with the cloth. The cloth is called the clo. So let's practice that again. So just say mine, yours, mine, pass to the left. Mine, yours, mine, pass. Right? Now normally when you pass, you really do let go and then just grab it again at the next spot, and everybody does this and it moves around. Just for this demonstration, since I'm here by myself, I'm not passing it quite as far as you normally would. Normally you would pass it pretty much over to the person sitting to your left. Or if you're at the end of the table, you'd pass it around this way. So let's try that one more time at full speed, and you know that you would pass it even though I'm not going to. So mine, yours, mine, pass. Mine, yours, mine, pass. Mine, yours, mine, pass. In the next video, I'll show you how to put together a song chorus with this.